Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, dear students, it's our second lecture of English language. Most of the people think that they can't speak. They don't have vocabulary. They don't have enough words. They don't have the sentence structures. They don't know how to make sentences. So for them, today's lecture is very much important. If you feel that I can't speak, I don't have enough words to coin sentences or phrases, so this lecture is going to help you a lot in this sense. Today's lecture is basically, the question is how many words you need to speak. How many words you need to speak at least? At least, researchers say that if a speaker has 300 words of a language in his mind, he can speak fluently. Only 300 words. Only 300 words. It means every person has more than 300 words in his mind. If he is at least, you may say that if his basic qualification is only metric, it means he has up till now grasped or learned 300 words of a language. Language here means English language. None of the students would be there who may claim that, sorry sir, I don't have 300 words. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. Every person has 300 words. So if we have 300 words, then it is very likely that we may be able, within a few days, if we practice those 300 words, we would be able to speak the language. Nothing there is a big deal. And next, basically, this is the major barrier, that we think that we have less vocabulary. This is a major barrier that stops you to think that you can speak. You have to remove this barrier from your mind and nothing else. Every one of us has more than 300 words. And if I remember that it was Shakespeare who said that I only used 700 basic words. How much? 700 basic words. To write all of his tragedies. Shakespeare used only 700 words. It is also on his part that he is the person person, Shakespeare is the person who invented at least 16 to 1700 words and phrases. Invented means he used these basic words, he modified them, he used them in different ways, and he coined 1600 to 1700 words and phrases. He was the only person. Have you ever invented a word? We can't invent a word. We don't have so much expertise. It was his expertise that he was able to coin 1600 new words or 1700 new words or phrases, or you may call sentences. It was his usage. So if we have 300 words, what I suggested earlier, if we have 300 words, we may have the ability to coin them, to use them differently in different scenarios. And by the use of 300 words, you can convey all the ideas. You can convey all the ideas that you have in your mind. So the point is, my dear friends, the point is that it is very easy. It is just a matter of confidence. It is just the usage. It is just the matter of time, the time we allocate to learn a language. So we have what we have, we do need. First of all, we need determination, a strong resolution that yes, I can learn language. I have the ability. I have more than 300 words in my mind, so why can't I speak English? Second thing would be there punctuality, regularity. How much punctual you are when you are learning a language. If you endow or give at least 15 minutes to listening, how much only? 15 minutes. If you promise me that you will listen English language for 15 minutes regularly, I promise you that within a week you will be able to speak at least 5 minutes. 15 minutes listening will give you the confidence, will boost your vocabulary, will boost your sentence structures. This thing will enhance your language capabilities, that you might be able to speak at least 5. So I think you have got the idea for today's lecture, that how many words you need to speak, you need to learn, how many words you need to learn. So we don't have any other task to learn new words. The words already we know are enough for us to speak the language. Clear? Yes. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you so much.